Alexa, play smooth jazz. That used to be my idea of a smart home until I learned what a connected home is and how it can really make your life easier. Hi, I'm Kathy Manis-Smith with Costa Canyon Real Estate, and I'm here to share some insights on what I learned about smart home technology. A smart or connected home is one that has all the devices like your thermostat, lights, audio speakers, TV, security cameras, locks, and appliances connected to one common network that is controlled through your smartphone. It's super easy and super convenient, keeping all the technology in your home connected through one system, and all you need is one app on your smartphone or mobile device. Smart home automation allows you to tap into your high-tech functions and luxury that were not available in the past. You know how great it feels to step into a cool home on a really hot day, or to be able to start the oven before you even get home? It is so simple when you have a connected home. Having a secure home is a top priority for most of us. Imagine being able to connect your motion detectors, surveillance cameras, and automated door locks from one mobile device before heading to bed. I feel so much safer knowing I can control my home security features from my home or from across the country. This technology can also make your home more energy efficient. It can suggest the best settings throughout the day based on your individual schedule and temperature preferences. Being connected lets you tap into insights on how your home operates. You can monitor how often you watch TV, what you watch on TV, the meals you cook, the foods in your refrigerator, and your energy consumption habits. These insights can help you analyze your daily behaviors to help you have the lifestyle you desire. For all you sellers out there, don't forget to show new owners how to operate your smart home system, and most importantly, how to change the security settings. And for buyers, when looking at a home to purchase, be sure to take into consideration the impact of your smart devices on the network. Smart home technology is constantly being developed, which means bigger and better systems to match our growing digital needs. This is exciting stuff, and there is so much more in the world of smart homes. Call me or text me at the number below. I would love to help you explore the possibilities. Thank you so much.